Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Best VR games for beginners include _Beat Saber _ Job Simulator _ and _Superhot VR _ These games are highly intuitive and offer engaging tutorials. _Beat Saber _ combines music rhythm with simple mechanics. Job Simulator _ provides a humorous, low-pressure introduction to VR interactions. Superhot VR _ offers a unique take on time manipulation in a visually simple environment. These titles help newcomers adapt quickly to the VR experience. Remember to take breaks to avoid motion sickness.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.